One of the reasons that we began working with students at a younger age is because we do realize that aside from our community service work and putting in the volunteer hours, we actually get to play a role in shaping the minds of these students and get them thinking about possible career opportunities here at Lippert. So Manufacturing Days is more than anything an opportunity for students to start realizing that manufacturing is not just work on the plant, but there's different career opportunities in them. We try to make it as interactive as possible. We have different speakers so that they are not listening to just one person. And then we walk them through our different buildings so for them to step in and say, hey, you know, manufacturing is actually pretty cool and I can actually turn a career out of this. One of the reasons that we really like to take part, that we appreciate having students on our manufacturing plant is because what sets Lippert apart from the rest of the manufacturing company, especially in the area, is that we're focused on a cultural change. We're going through a cultural change right now. We're changing people and changing the perspective on what a boss and leader should be, right? So we're moving more towards becoming leaders and making sure that we're humble and making sure that we all have these core values. So especially when they're eighth graders, you know, this is a time where their mind's going about what should I do with my life once I'm in college and after college. So this way we're able to shape their minds since an early age and get LCI into their mentality.